In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-refresh in Google Chrome browser. If you've ever needed a page to reload on its own, maybe to monitor a live dashboard, watch a stock ticker update, or keep a queue active, setting up auto-refresh can save time and clicks. I'll walk you through getting a trusted extension and setting the refresh interval so Chrome handles it for you. Start in Chrome on the page you want to refresh. Move to the upper right corner and click the three-dot menu. This opens Chrome's main menu with all the tools you need. From here, hover over Extensions to reveal more options, then click Open Chrome Web Store. That's where we'll find the tool that makes auto-refreshing simple. In the Chrome Web Store search bar, type Auto Refresh Plus or a similar Auto Refresh extension. You're looking for an option that clearly states it can reload tabs at set intervals. Take a moment to glance at ratings, reviews, and the permissions it requests. Choosing a well-reviewed extension from a reputable developer helps ensure reliability and security. Once you've found the one you want, click Add to Chrome, and then confirm by selecting Add Extension. Chrome will download and install it, and you'll see a brief confirmation. After installation, look for the new extensions icon in the toolbar near the address bar. That icon is your control panel for auto-refreshing. If you have many extensions, it may be tucked into the puzzle-shaped extensions menu. Just keep an eye out for the Auto Refresh icon name or logo. Click the Auto Refresh Plus icon to open its controls. You'll see a field or buttons to set the refresh interval. Choose the timing that fits your workflow. For example, every 5, 15, or 30 seconds, or a longer interval like 1 to 5 minutes if you don't need constant updates. Short intervals mean more frequent reloads, which can increase network and CPU usage, so pick a reasonable balance. Also remember that refreshing will reload the entire page, so avoid enabling it while you're filling out forms or typing, since unsaved changes can be lost. With your interval set, click Start. The extension will begin reloading the current tab automatically at the schedule you chose. It will keep working as long as the tab is open and the extension is active. When you no longer need it, you can return to the same panel to stop or adjust the timer. That's all there is to it. Open the Chrome Web Store, add an Auto Refresh extension, click its toolbar icon, set your interval, and start. Use it thoughtfully to keep key pages up to date without lifting a finger.